Okay, so that was a big fat fail. Let's have a try again with another technique. Um, One thing that quite often works, and there's a method, there's a name for this method that I can't quite remember. It's something like brute. It's not brute force. Oh, there's a disparaging name for it anyway. Is to is to look at each term individually. So we'll try a cubed over 1 plus b 1 plus c. And if I can prove that that's greater than or equal to 1/4, then I'm done. Because given the constraint abc equals 1, of course. Because if I can do that, by symmetry, each one's bigger than 1/4 and the whole thing's bigger than 3/4. This technique, it feels like cheating. I'll remember the name in a minute, but if I can do that, that's great. So let's play around with this inequality. That says that 4a cubed greater than or equal to 1 plus b 1 plus c. And now what I'm going to do, of course, is I'm going to substitute c equals 1 over ab. 4a cubed greater than or equal to 1 plus b 1 plus 1 over ab. And that's crazy. That's nonsense. That's not true, or not necessarily true. What happens if a equals 1 and b equals 100? So I'm asserting that 4 times 1 cubed is greater than or equal to 101 times something bigger than 1, because it's 1 plus 1 over something, which is not true, false. Oh well, we tried it and it didn't work. I want you to get into the habit of trying different things, and if they don't work, well, you've learned something. So this technique didn't work. Quite often it does. It works more often than you might expect, just looking at each term individually. But it ain't helped here. Right, stop.